Hello guys, this is Manjunath and welcome back to the channel. So today I'll be fixing this Bobo jaw grip with the charger to my bike, the Classic 350. So I've already unboxed the Bobo charger. So I'll just show you what all are there inside the box. So the main one is the holder itself, the jaw grip. Along with that we have two zip ties, one 3M tape to fix the holder to the handle, and we also have some more. So this is the holder which will be putting it on the handle. So along with that we have the inner tighteners. Suppose if this doesn't fit your bike's handle, you can try these two. And also we have an Allen key. Fix the screw, tighten the screw, or loosen the screw. So what else do we have? So we also have, this is for basically for scooters, for the side mirror holder, which I will not be using for sure on this bike at least. Also we have one fuse which we will have to put somewhere in the wire in case the already existing fuse goes off. So this is an additional fuse. So what else? That's it. Okay, the first thing what we will need to do is, I'll just place these things over here. Okay, the first thing what we need to do is loosen this. So make sure this thing tightens up as much as required, otherwise you will have to try the other one. This goes there. Does it have enough to tighten? I guess these are big ones for this, so I'll try the other one. That fell down. Yes, okay, here it is. Okay, putting them back into the position. So I guess this might do, yeah. So this is, so this one's here. So if you are sure about the position, you can put the 3M tape here and then you can fix it permanently. I'll just try without the 3M tape for now, just to make sure this fits fine. So I'm just tightening this with the Allen key. I guess this will obstruct the key. Okay, I might have to move a little bit over here. Yeah, this should do. Okay, a little there. Yeah, this should do. So I'll tighten this. Doesn't shake. Okay. Next is, so in this you also have a USB port where you can be putting your wire and then connecting back to the phone, and you have this tightening screw and loosening screw to place your phone, and also a switch to turn the charger on and off. This has this waterproof plastic covering. It's a bit hard to turn off the switch, but this helps. Okay, first thing, remove this, put this inside this, then this you'll have to put it here and make a bit of a press so that this thing gets inside this. Okay, now it's placed. Now the bottom thing you'll have to tighten it. Okay, I have tightened it, and you can move it however you prefer it to. Just make sure it doesn't come in between your rotation of your bike's handle. So I've tightened it. So now this was easy. Okay, now I'll be just loosen this up so that I'll just see if I can place my phone there. I'll need a bit more. Okay. Now place my phone here. Okay. Now this is fine. So it's better we keep our phones like this. It's fine now. Please ignore this patch because I tried to put the screen guard and I messed it up. Okay, what else next? So now the phone holder is done. The next thing is putting the wire to the battery. Now what you need to do is, you have this wire. So this model also comes without a charger. So if your model is one without a charger, your work is done. But if you have a charger, then you will have to pass this wire somewhere from here, go there. From there you will have to come to your battery box and place it on the battery terminals. So I'll have to figure out a way where I can pass this wire. This wire is about 1.5 meter in length. I'm trying to figure out, is there a way where we can pass the wire. Let me open the battery box. Okay, I open the battery box. Okay, so what you will have to do is take this wire all the way till here, then from there you will have to take it here, and then one wire goes here, one wire goes there, and after that you will have to tighten it up on the terminals and then close the battery lid. So I guess I won't be doing it myself. I kind of don't want to mess it up, but if you are doing it on your own, make sure don't leave the wire sagging. Just tighten it up here, then go there. You can use the zip tie provided and tie it up here, and then the red plug goes here and the black one goes there. That's it, your job's done. So once you start your bike and turn the switch on, the one over here, and then you also have to connect your USB cable to your phone, and your work's done. Phone starts charging. Okay, I guess I'll get this done from my service center where I get my bike service. Hope it's clear. So putting this thing back again.